Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management. Today we are discuss about the topic that is learning. Learning is a psychological process. It has the capacity and capability to modify the behavior of human being. One of the most important characteristics of human being the capacity to learn. Our personality, our habits, skills, knowledge, attitude, and interest are largely result of learning. For example, a person mode of dress, his attitude and his way of communication are all learned. After learning, a person respondent behave in a different manner than he informally used to do it. In this way, learning help in improving the behavior of the employees in continuously. The learning is the act of acquiring of new and reforming and modifying existing knowledge. Our habits, our knowledge, our behavior, value, and may involving all type and different type of information. They are virtual importance in helping the individual adopting the environment. Definition of learning: the term learning cover every modification in behavior to meet environmental requirement. Learning has taken place if the individual behave and respond and result in the different way. WPS Johnson's. Nature of learning. Learning, there are some important features of learning which are as following. First one, learning is a systematic and continuous process. Second one, it leads to change in behavior. It involving all those experiments and experience and training of individual which have to change behavior. Third one, learning must be reflect in behavior. Learning prepare the individual to adjust and adapt in situation. And fourth one, learning is a positive and negative. Learning is universal and continuously process. Learning through direct and indirect experience. And sixth one, it is a continuation and never ending process that goes from the worm and term. And last one, there must be a permanent change. Process of a learning. Step in learning process. Learning process is carried out through various steps according to the H.P. Smith. First one, motive. Second one, attractive goal. Third one, block to the attainment of the goal. First one, motive. Motive are the dynamic force that compel an individual to act. The direction of motive depends up to relative strength of motive. Unsatisfied motives or needs compile the individual to satisfy them which are initial learning to something. Second one, an attractive goal. For the satisfaction of the needs in the individual set defined goals for achievement. The setting of goal help is making the learning and purposeful and interesting. If the individual face no difficulty in attaining goal, he will not change his present behavior. This means is no necessary to learn. If block or barrier obstruct to individual to reach a goal, then in the individual will try to change in behavior. Means something to change his behavior to reach the goal. And some other step involving of the learning. First one, reinforcement. If the response is successful in action and satisfy the needs on the subsequent occasion of the individual will tend to repeat it. Integration or also addition. The individual integrating the successfully response with the individual previous learning so that become a part new function of